welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and happy holidays to you. Christmas decorating is in full swing around here, and today I'm working on the shelves in my dining room, taking down all of the fall decor and replacing it with Christmas decor. So do me a favor right now, sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and let's decorate the dining room together. And I hope this gives you inspiration and motivation to start your Christmas decorating in your home. Now let me give you a quick walkthrough. All of the items on the top shelf are items that I already had in my Christmas stash. On the second shelf, all of those items are from Goodwill. I can't believe the amazing Target dollar spot items that are selling for just $1 or $2. So make sure you check out your local Goodwill. Today's video is part of the close collaboration 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, hosted by the Home Decor Luxe Club. Links to all of our channels as well as our playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure that you show us some love. Now let's move over here to the second unit. I picked up these gorgeous neutral Christmas trees and the reindeer heads and a couple of other items you'll see later at the clearance sale at Big Lots last year. Each one of those trees was $3, as well as the reindeer heads. I couldn't believe what a find. And Father Christmas, he's a thrift find, as well as the nativity set. On the second shelf, I came in with those thrifted Malacasa angels that I got last year. And the mirrored gift box is a DIY. Let me walk you back over to the other side and tell you about the last two shelves on that unit as well. So on that shelf are those beautiful white reindeer that I created the bling collars for last year. At the bottom, I have my DIY faux fur Christmas tree, little reindeers that I got from Dollar Tree, and another one of my DIY gift boxes. And there we have it, beautiful shelves styled for Christmas. I hope you like it, and I hope that it motivates you and inspires you to start your Christmas decorating in your home. Make sure you stop by the playlist for some awesome. You talk about motivation and inspiration. You have got to check out my sisters from the Home Decor Luxe Club. And as I said, links to all of their channels will be in my description box below. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider becoming part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.
Out jumps good old Santa Claus. lots of toys.